many ways. Your heart broke in so many ways, and I'm the one to blame.
Kia ora team, welcome back to another video. I'm Daniel and I hope that you fellas are having a good day, dressing well, and of course getting stuff done. It actually feels good to be back in the spot saying that, because it's actually been like quite some time since I've stood here and done a video for you guys. At least for me, it's been a while, you know, with New York and everything like that. So it feels good to be back. So diving straight into it, guys, you already know that I picked up the Balenciaga Track V2s in the white colorway. If you watched my last vlog, you would have seen that I picked them up, and you also would have seen how I managed to actually pay for them. So if you don't actually know how I went about purchasing them and all that type of stuff, go back, watch it. I'll put it up in the cards here or something, or I'll forget, but it might be there, it might not. Either way, go back and watch it if you don't know what I'm talking about. So today, all I wanted to do, nice, short, quick video, showcasing you these shoes, unboxing them. Worn them quite a bit already, so I want to give you also a review on how I find them, if they're worth the price, etc, etc. Close-up look, blah, 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 unboxing. It's been such a long time since we've done one, so let's get straight into it. So guys, the Balenciaga Track V2s come in the standard gray Balenciaga box. Nothing special about this, a little bit of detail. Balenciaga there, it's a box. Now something to note, I did go true to size with these ones. So I got a size 43, which is a UK 9, which is a US 10, roughly, I think. Conversions, go on Google, you can do it. And here they are. These are the Balenciaga V2 Tracks in the white colorway. Now, they are white, but I would actually say they're more of a cream / off-white colorway. Also, what we get in the box is a shoe bag with Balenciaga. These actually come in handy with these type of shoes. I actually use shoe bags so much at the moment. So obviously I always am going out on locations to shoot and do lookbooks and things like that, or even if it's traveling, putting your shoes in these definitely helps so you don't get your other, you know, clothes or even other shoes messed up. Also, what it does come with is a spare pair of laces. Now these laces, well, they actually are the same color. I thought they were white and the other ones were cream, but they actually look the same. So it comes with, I feel that, to me they look, to me the shoelaces are cream on here and these ones are white, but these ones could just be a little bit dirty. But they come with a spare pair as well. I originally saw these in the black colorway way back, and I mean, I liked the shoe, but I didn't know if I liked kind of like the holes in them. So what they have done with these ones is pretty much, on the V1s, they've got all this kind of like cushioning on the inside, so you cannot pretty much touch your foot. Like if I wear these in bright pink socks, you'll be able to see part of the socks throughout it. It really gives me the same vibes as those Adidas and Raf Simmons shoes. I can't remember the name of the shoes, but you guys will know what I'm talking about. But I actually do, especially in the white colorway, like these a lot more. Also, the V2s are actually a slimmer pair of shoes, so you don't want them as clunky. They just very slightly slimmer, not as much padding. I find them to be actually more comfortable, and they're actually lighter than the V1s as well, and they are 10 times lighter than the triple S's. So these I can actually walk around in all day and feel pretty good. When I wore the triple S's, man, when you walk upstairs, like you're literally pulling up 5 kgs extra in each foot every time you go upstairs. Now overall, the shoe is quite similar. Now unfortunately, I don't have a pair of V1s to show you comparisons, so if you want to kind of see that, I'd suggest you to go check out Joel's video. He's got one and he compares them next to each other. Now, little things that are different, we do not have the sizing on the toe. So normally Triple S and the V1s of the Tracks had the size right on the toe here. So it would, for example, with these shoes, it would say 43. I'm not too phased about that. It was always kind of a weird thing to do, but it was kind of cool because they did it, but it's no stress that it's not there. They've also moved the branding from the side of the outside of the toe to right up here where it says Balenciaga right on the top of the foot. We also have Track 2 embroidered on the top of the tongue. We also have Balenciaga embroidered right on the heel. Coming underneath the shoe, pretty much the exact same as the V1, standard, boom, Balenciaga on the outside of the shoe as well. Now the colorways that are mixed up between the shoe, we do have a mixture of that kind of cream off-white colorway. There is one bit of kind of like pure white, I would say, and that's right on the outside of the shoe. We do have a bit of a transparent material going around the outside part of the back of the shoe, right around where the heel is. Then this bit kind of like shocked me at first, is we have this, it's like a spray paint silver, like a metallic silver is the way I would say it, which is on the tongue. Then we have like kind of like a bluey silver detail throughout the whole kind of like toe cap of the shoe as well, coming round on to the outside. Inside of the shoe is nothing special, just says Balenciaga on the inside. And overall, guys, that's pretty much the detail of these shoes. Now, comfort wise, They are a lot more comfortable than the Triple S, but if I was going to compare these to my Nike P6000, those will win hands down every day. I would rate them on a scale, the Nike P6000s, let's say a 10 out of 10 is the most perfect comfortable shoe ever. I would rate those a 9 out of 10 on comfort. So comparing these to them, I would probably give these maybe a 6, maybe a 7. Like, I wore these all day in New York. Heaps of walking. If you guys been to New York, it's just so much walking, and towards the end of the day they were starting to get a little uncomfortable, but still overall, you know, a 6 to 7 comfort wise out of like, and that's me being harsh on them. So the recommended retail price for these was £595. So if you guys are considering getting a pair, really think about it first. Don't spend all your savings just straight away on these shoes. They're definitely not worth it if that's all you've got. But if you guys have been saving for a while, you've been putting away money purely just for these, I do definitely think they're worth the cop. On top of that, if you do keep them in good condition, you can always sell them down the line and you can kind of retain quite a bit of the value of the shoe. So what we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to just jump to a quick kind of just on foot shot of these, just so you can see what they look like on foot. So let's get to that. And there we have it, guys. That is the unboxing of the Balenciaga Track V2 trainers in the white colorway. Personally, I love these shoes. They're definitely one of my favorites right now. Now, if you guys do want to actually see like a full lookbook of how I style these shoes, do let me know in the comment section down below. I can put together 3 to 4 outfits of how I personally would style the Balenciaga Track V2s. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Keep dressing well, and I'll see you fellas next time. Peace.